So ayan, it's time to go out with my dog again as usual. Every day, every morning, every lunch and afternoon, then at night. Lucky na. Hello Libby Prinde, hello mga friendship. It's time to go out with my dog again. I took a shower first because I feel so warm when I just woke up. I was sweaty in the night, I guess. And yeah. So, and then of course, today I have no work and I have to go to the bank and then I have to go to the supermarket and clean a little bit at home and of course cook something for lunch for all of us, for me and my kids. Now, Lucky? It's really nice weather right now because it's not that warm because although it's sunshine, of course, it is a little bit wind and we had this little, you can feel the fresh air for today. It's not that humid. I don't like humid weather because it feels like you're in the sauna, like in the Philippines. So even when you took a shower, still look fresh until the next day because you don't get sweat a lot like that unless I do my training. Yeah, it was a long time ago since I didn't do my training because I was feeling sick before and I was out with my friends the whole time whenever I have free time. So this is the time now. I have to start my training again. So maybe I'll do that. And I wish I have time. No, I mean I hope I have time for later to do my training again. I need to get back fit again and it's feeling healthier when you do your training, you know. So it's time to feed Lucky again. Let's check my balcony. Ayan siya. Tingnan nyo, oh, may bee, oh. Oh, ganyan pala sila. Tapos, eto pa. Different colors of flowers. So, talaga namumukadkad na siya kasi dinidiligan ko talaga siya kasi nandito lang ako, hindi ako gumagala. I'm not out for the weekend, but next weekend I'm out. So, I have to tell the kids, to remind the kids to take good care of my plants while I am away next weekend. Yeah. It's clear blue sky, it's sunshine. 22 degree later will be until 25 degree like I told you before when I was outside with my dog. So this is my breakfast and I need to put cheese. And I have to make it warm a little bit in the microwave. This is my coffee, 100% milk. And yes, I have to cover it. This is it, melted cheese. Cow lekker. And my cappuccino. So today this is our lunch. I'm gonna make a pasta with gambas, but I have to defrost it because it's still frozen. I don't normally eat everyday rice and not everyday breakfast with rice. Since I'm here in Germany, I think I have learned not to eat rice a lot, you know, and it's really expensive to rice here. Especially now, it's getting more expensive. So, mas matipid pagka tinapay lang. So, it's time to cook. I'm gonna make this spaghetti gambas. So, ayan. Tayo. And it's time to put this onion. finished. So I have wow, grabe. Ilagay ko na to yung yung bottled na dried tomato. So it will be taste better if I use the pesto also. So if you're not really a profi cook, you can use as what like what I did, because yeah. Kasi kesa naman marami pang etchiboreche, di ba? Pahirapan pa natin sa sarili natin. Why you have to make things complicated if you can make it easy as that? And then we have to put oregano. Have to separate the gambas. As you can see guys, ayan. Inano ko siya, tinanggal ko yung balat niya. Tapos nilinisan ko, tinanggal ko yung mga shit, yung mga tae-tae. No? Kasi para hindi naman nakakain. Fresh something for this from my fresh basilico. I mix the gambas now. So we can put aside already the pasta. This is it. So ayan na. I have to turn off the heat now, fire, because otherwise it will be overcooked. And it's not good when it's overcooked, especially the gambas. I don't like the gambas when it's overcooked, like a rubber already. I don't like it. So this is it mga friendships. Luto na ang aking gambas spaghetti. It is ready! Yummy, yummy! My daughter Kyla, food tasting. Tingnan natin kung masarap ang luto ni Mami. At syempre, it's her favorite pasta as always. Here at home, we have pasta once a week.
I didn't steal your hat.
Bon appetit,
Why are you
mga
in?
friendship.
I'm flirting. You of all people should recognize that.
Oh, this is weird. I'm gonna go back downstairs.
Yeah.
Bro.
Thanks, guys. Well,
Eric, give those hats back.
all right.
There you are. Are you hiding up here from my friends? No. I like your friends.
This is my second copy for today. Actually, we have a coffee machine. It's from Nespresso, a Swiss brand. A really good coffee. But I don't drink this kind of coffee because it's really... Ganyan yung mga capsule yan. Kay X yan. Pag may bisita ako, at least social, di ba? Kainin ko na lang sa mga bisita ko yan. It's getting hot right now because the sun is really up. and it's blue sky. You see? Enjoying my me time here alone in my balcony while the kids still in the dining area eating. It takes them so long to eat, you know. Sometimes, especially my youngest one, my daughter, every time after she ate, she's watching her iPad, the series that she used to watch. But I have to tell her now that she has to do her homework first, like Lucky, because otherwise she's going to watch the whole day again and doing nothing, and then she's going to start doing her homework again alone late at night, and then she will be late going to bed. It's not nice, right, Lucky? Yeah. And it's also time for her to spend time with her dog, because Lucky is her dog, it's not mine, right, Lucky? Kyla has to go out with you too, not always me, mommy, always all the time, mommy.
And every time he leave me alone, he always tell me he miss it. He wanna F-F-R-E-A-K-F-R-E.
So my boss called me that I have to work today, and by the way, this is my outfit for today, and you saw it already since in the morning. After my work, I also have to go to the supermarket to buy some stuff for this week. And yeah, we don't have so much money right now, so it's budget. So now I just arrived after shopping in the supermarket. I just few stuff because it's everything getting expensive now, so I have to watch out the expenses, our weekly expenses, that I can only accommodate based on our budget, because it's really crisis right now if I don't make the weekly budget for us. Otherwise there's no control with it anymore, then I will be like minus in my account. Hello, Marcus. So this is the night. This is how it looks like at night, and look at the moon. Ganyan ang moon ngayon. Hindi natin siya ma-focus eh. Ganito itsura ng aming neighborhood pag hindi pa masyadong madilim. It's 8:45 in the evening here in Germany. And this is all my neighborhood. So natatabunan yung pinaka-garden niya sa buong gitna. Ganyan yung mga neighborhood ko. Diba tahimik? Wala ka talagang makikitang may ingay man, mga bata lang. Oops. So it's time for my training again. Was a long time I didn't do my training, almost a month already. So you know it, when you're not when you stop for a long time, it's kind of a little bit harder to start and begin again, and to have back in your routine for your daily exercise. So kailangan magpapayat dahil matakaw ang inyong Miss Joanne of Arty Queen. So I'm ready for going to bed. Good night, everyone. I was really tired after my training because it was like think a month ago since was the last time I was on doing my training, and you know how hard it is for those who used to train a lot, and when you stop, it's not that easy. So I have to make it slow, and yeah. And tomorrow I have to go to work again, and then on the other next day again. So yeah, it's sad. I have to say goodbye now, and good night. Hope to see you again, and please don't be bored watching my boring life here in Germany, because that's how it is. This is the real happenings here at home. It's not every day doing something that makes you entertaining or something. It's not like that. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Your Miss Joanne of Arty Queen. And bye bye for the choose friendship. Good night.